Hey everyone, welcome. This is Mo again from WVW Networking Solution, and we don't just do internet or networking, we only do TV. We fix the mess of generation, and God knows how many hands has been here before us. So all this, they tried this thing, didn't work, don't want to say the name. Then, you can find all the brands that you can ever think about it in this place. And eventually they keep failing, and the reason is the analog system. That's the problem right there. And then the lightning, when it hit, boom, if right thinks, and then you gotta wait, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, this is a pile of generation, I don't want to say the names, but you can see that green sticker there, you can guess. Again, in here, and here is analogs, all these wires, all this mess, all this jungle, mungle, each one comes in, add a wire, and walk away. I fixed it. Well, guess what? First lightning, first rain season, boom, back again to rock number 0. Oh, I got better solution. Here you are. Let me try you. Lock you up for 3 years contract, and then, well, sorry, it didn't work for you. Anyway, so we have a really digital solution that will get rid of all this. No more. Finito. All this is finished, Papa. And they're all going to be digital, crispy HD channels. They will be pushed in through either a fiber or wireless infrastructure that already existed, and if you don't have it, we can do it for you. No problem, my man. So, follow me in this couple kind of videos. I'll be going through the overhaul of all this. Dismantling, disassembling, killing, I guess. All these signals that on some stuff I don't even know how to operate it. It's that old, okay? And even when I powered a TV, I was able to power one TV and then I get like square looking channel. I was like, okay, well, my TV, it's 1080. So how that's gonna work? Doesn't work. Anyway, so we're gonna get rid of all this mess that you see here, a pile of generation and generation of wires. So look around you if you're on a hotel, if you're on an RV park. If you have something like this around, you have a problem, my friend. And we are the solution. Our solution is digital, unique. It will works. You have internet or not? It depends. If you have internet, you have a better plans. If you don't have internet, that's fine. We can get you all the local channel as long as they are within the same private property. Digitalize, and you can have them through your network setup or the Wi-Fi if you offer on Wi-Fi. Whatever, man, everything's doable. There you go, guys. Just keep watching these couple videos coming up. I don't know when I'm going to do them because this is a lot to do. But I'll be posting every time I do thing that I think someone will get benefit out of it. And to get rid of all these things, I may run some of them just to see how they works. I mean, they should be easy and basic, but we'll see. We got a bunch of direct, oops, I say the name. I shouldn't say it, but we've got a bunch of those, one of the satellite provider things here. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So, but again, look around your facility. If you own a business that has to do with hospitality, if you see something like this around, man, that is a problem. And I can fix it. I can make it easy, simple, and something that will work for years and years and years to come. All right? Okay. Stay tuned then. See you in the next one.